Hey everyone, I'm Chief Meteorologist Brad Sugden, starting off once again with the Canyon Rim Visitor Center's webcam looking at the New River Gorge, and this is just a beautiful picture. I love showing it. You can see nice blue skies across much of the area, a lot of sunshine as well. The sunshine felt great today, so soak it up because tomorrow things are definitely going to start to change for us. As we go throughout the nighttime hours, we'll keep those clear skies. Temperatures falling though, already down into the teens again by 11 o'clock. Some of us going down into the lower teens as we go throughout the night tonight. So it's going to be a cool start to the day tomorrow. An overall cool day because we do have some snow that's going to work its way in. So the clouds begin to make their way in as we go throughout the day. By the time we get towards tomorrow night, snow should start by the evening hours, pretty much by the time you get home from work or school. So once you get home, it's going to be a good idea to stay home and stay put because the heavy snow will pick up very quickly as we go throughout the evening. Starts to taper off by Thursday afternoon, and then actually we should see some sunshine work its way into the area by the time the sun goes down as we go throughout our Thursday evening. Now our hometown forecast taking us to Summers County, to Sandstone. Temperatures starting off in the teens just like everybody else, rising only into the upper 20s as we go throughout the day. Again, we're starting off with some more sunshine, bringing in those clouds by the afternoon, and eventually by the time the sun starts to set, we'll start to work in some of those snow showers as well. Now there's a lot of cold air across much of the United States. You can see teens all around the Great Lakes, 20s for our areas, some 30s all the way down pretty much to the Gulf Coast. And these temperatures right on the freezing line are going to be the reason that we're going to see a lot of this turn into snow and actually pretty significant nor'easter taking shape for much of the country. There's that storm taking place, starting to get its act organized, and it will very quickly start to make its way toward our area as we go throughout the day tomorrow, and especially as we go throughout Wednesday night. Now, there are some snow showers, some freezing rain, just a mess across much of the southeast at the moment. All the clouds staying down there in association with that storm, though. This first wave is going to make its way off to the east. It's the second wave with the same low pressure system that's going to impact our area as it really starts to gain strength as it starts to move up the east coast of the United States. Now, across our area right now, like I said, we're seeing a lot of sunshine, a lot of clear skies, all is well in the world of southern West Virginia at the moment, but things are going to change drastically as we go throughout tomorrow evening into tomorrow night. So temperatures right now, not all that bad, generally a couple degrees on either side of freezing, about 28 degrees in Beckley, 29 in Oak Hill, 33 in Pineville, and 35 degrees in Bluefield, but temperatures are going to fall off quickly once the sun sets. We're going to lose a lot of heat without there being any clouds in the atmosphere. Now winds, they're not all that bad, about 5 to 10 miles per hour out of various directions, so just light winds as we go throughout the night tonight. That will allow temperatures to fall pretty low as well. But where we are seeing some of those winds, notice our wind chills feels like about 20 degrees in Beckley. So a little on the cool side. If you're headed out, you're still going to want to bundle up, though at the moment the sun is making it feel a little bit warmer. So now let's look at what's going to happen with this storm as it moves up the east coast of the United States. The track's staying a little bit closer to land, which means we're going to tap into some of that heavier snowfall. So putting things into motion for you as that low tracks up, expect some of this heavier snowfall to make it into our easternmost counties. Otherwise, we're going to see our westernmost counties are going to see next to nothing compared to what our eastern counties are going to see as we go throughout time. So let's put everything into motion now with our county cast. Temperatures, again, like I said, getting very cold tonight, down into the teens for many of us. Notice we're keeping clear skies, though, as we go throughout tomorrow. Temperatures pop a little bit up into the 20s for most of us, but it's going to stay cold enough. It's all going to be in the form of snow. By the time we go throughout the evening, especially by 9 o'clock, expect the flakes to be flying very good by then, especially from south to the north. So Greenbrier County might hold out a little bit, but there's that very fine line now making its way towards our western counties. Anywhere east of that is likely to see some significant snow as we go throughout Wednesday night into our Thursday. So let's take a look at what we can expect here. Snowfall totals generally for our westernmost counties, anywhere from 2 to 4 for the very outer fringes to a general 4 to 6 for just about everybody in our western counties. Now going towards our eastern counties, especially the higher elevations, 6 to 10 inches of snow possible. And for eastern of us, the bullseye staying just off to our east, though, 8 to 16 inches for much of Virginia. It's just going to be a mess. So travel impacts, we're going to see some minor travel impacts to the west, otherwise significant to even extreme travel impacts along many of the roads for just about our entire area. So it's going to be just one of those situations you're going to want to stay at home and just stay off the roads. We do have winter storm warnings for our entire eastern portions of our viewing area, the western portions in those winter weather advisories as we go throughout tomorrow night into our Thursday. So tonight, expect temperatures 11 to 20 degrees, clear and cold. We'll see temperatures down into the teens yet again going throughout the day tomorrow. Temperatures staying on the cold side, so 24 to 34 degrees, clouds increasing, snow eventually by the time we get towards those evening hours. Going to be a very snowy day as we go throughout at least the first half of Thursday, looking for some more snow on Friday, flurries lingering in